In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Zotero, a free citation manager that can be really useful when you work on big research projects. Zotero is a free program that allows you to store, organize, and access journal articles and other sources that you save while researching. It's a two-part system that is made up of a connector that you download to your internet browser of choice, like Safari or Google Chrome, for saving things that you find online, and a desktop program where you can access the articles. So more specifically, what can Zotero do for you? It can save the full text of articles you find in your web browser, like Chrome or Safari. If there's a PDF available for the article, you can click on the connector and it will automatically save it to the folder you have open in the Zotero program. Zotero can also extract publication information for articles and save this in the program so that you don't need to look it up again later. All of the articles you save are also accessible from the desktop program, so you have all of the research you save located in one place for easy access. You can also log into the Zotero website and access all of the articles that you save there as well. Zotero also lets you organize these articles however you choose by letting you create and name folders called collections and add tags and notes to the articles. Another huge benefit of using Zotero is that it can generate citations for all of your sources at once. You just need to quickly double-check the citations to make sure they're formatted correctly. To use Zotero, you just need to create a free account on their website, download the desktop program, and add the connector to your browser. All of the links to download these are available on the Zotero website. There are also help sheets available from the library to assist you with setup. Now that we've gone over what Zotero is, I'll show you how it works. Once you've made an account and installed the program and connector, you're ready to start saving articles. Make sure you have the Zotero program open in the background. You'll see an error message if you try to save articles if the program isn't open. As you're researching, you can save articles that you find online to your Zotero account by using the browser extension. Here's where the extension sits in Google Chrome. Sometimes the icon looks different depending on what type of source you're trying to save, but if you hover your cursor over it, it will say Save to Zotero. To save the article, just click on that button. This is a great way to save a bunch of articles to read later while you're searching. Here is what the desktop program looks like once you've saved some articles. Zotero automatically saves the articles into the section called My Library, but you can also create collections or folders to store articles in if you want to organize them further, like I have. When you click on each article, you'll see what information Zotero was able to save about the article. Most articles will have all or most of the publication information, but others may need some editing to ensure that they're complete records. You can click the arrow at the beginning of the article title to see if a PDF of the article is available. If it is, it will show up here and you can open it. If you save a website, Zotero will save the URL so you can come back to the page later. Once you have all of your sources saved in Zotero, you can generate citations by selecting all of the sources you want citations for. If you want to select multiple, you can click on the first title, hold down the Shift key, and select the last article to select that whole section of articles. Right-click that area and select Create Bibliography from Items. In the pop-up window, choose your citation style, then make sure Output Mode is set to Bibliography and Output Method is selected to Copy to Clipboard, then click OK. From there, you can go into Microsoft Word or Google Docs and paste your citations. Make sure to double-check the citations to ensure they're formatted correctly. A couple of them may be missing information, and you may need to do your own formatting with things like hanging indents or making sure they're single-spaced. If you have any questions about setting up or using Zotero, please contact the library.